Today we're diving into the world of precision and creativity with the Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor, a versatile tool that delivers high-pressure spray flow with 48 psi and an airflow reaching 8 to 10 liters per minute, offering a remarkable 60% performance boost for all your artistic endeavors. This airbrush kit is equipped with a 3-gear adjustable air pressure system, allowing you to easily switch between 25, 30, and 40 psi settings with just a touch, ensuring you have the perfect pressure for any project, whether it's art painting, model coloring, or cake decoration. Its dual-action design provides exceptional fluid control, enabling you to regulate pigment volume and air with precision, minimizing waste and maximizing your creative potential. Designed with both beginners and experts in mind, this airbrush kit is user-friendly and perfect for a wide range of applications, from miniature painting and nail art to makeup and traditional painting. The non-clogging spray gun features an adjustable tailstock, allowing you to customize the airbrush with the right needle for your specific needs, ensuring a smooth and advanced airbrushing experience. With its professional-grade components and ease of use, the Gocheer Airbrush Kit is your go-to tool for achieving stunning results in any artistic field. So, whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this airbrush kit is designed to elevate your creativity and bring your visions to life with ease and precision.